So what I have here today for y'all is a power bank kind of holder. No, it's not a cooler. I know it kind of looks like a cooler, but this is a very cool item. Number one, look at how nice and premium this thing looks. And let me show you what's in here. So there's a collapsible handle that kind of holds it together right there. These are waterproof zippers. So this thing is slightly waterproof. So if you got your power station like I do, let's pull it out right here. It's in here. Now this is the VitoMan 600 watt, and it fits perfect in here, everybody. That is awesome. Look at how nice that fits down in there. So this is all the VitoMan stuff. You can see how it is. So you're wondering, when you got it inside this bag, how do you access it? Well, I'm going to show you that here in a minute. And right here is where you'll put your charge cables and things like that. And over here is a sling. So if you need to carry it, you just clip on right here. So I like the fact they give you a sling, and there's also extra pockets along the sides right here. So that's very nice too. Let me put it back down in here. So I just want to take it out and show you guys real quick because I'm excited about this. I do a lot of camping and I like taking my power bank out and using it, but you hate carrying it around. And then if it starts raining or something, it's going to get wet. Well, in this thing, I think they got you covered. So we're going to zip this one up and around like this. Now check this out. This is the awesome feature. Look at this. Open that. Look at this little flap. Boom. There's everything. If I need a light, there's my light. How cool is that? So my light still works. My access where I can charge it, my power bank, all of my USBs are open, and the two AC are open. And this one actually has a jumper box to it, by the way. You can get an accessory jumper box. You need to get the measurements on what size you need when you order one of these. And this is the size I needed. I keep it in my van. It just usually sets in my van in front of my seat, and it kind of looks like a cooler. You don't see like a power bank there, so it can kind of deter like a thief or something looking through your car or window, and they see this. Like if you've seen this from a distance, you think it's just someone's lunch. You wouldn't think there's like a power bank in there, because these power stations are not very cheap. So not something I'd want to walk away from me. This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs to have a carry case for their power bank and just easy setup, take down. Pretty much I'm leaving it in here for good because mine charges from the front. Now if it charged from the back or something like that, I wish there was a back opening right here, because some of my other power bank charges from back here, but I knew this one was going to charge here, so it's perfect for me. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the power bank kind of case. See you all in the next video.